Hello everyone, I'm Preeti Nagi, and as you all want to be happy in your life, it's everyone's agenda. I want to be happy in my life. I want to achieve this thing in my life. I want to achieve this thing in my life. And yes, ultimate goal is to achieve the happiness, excel in life. Ultimate goal to prosper in life and achieve many things in life. Achieve many things in my life which will make me happy. But today I'm going to share with you one trick, only one trick, because there are many tricks to stay happy. And ultimate happiness you will achieve only when you are happy from inside. Unless and until you are not happy from inside, unless and until don't want to be happy in your life. As I know, everyone wants to be happy in his life, but unless and until you are not ready to accept the thing, not ready to change yourself, you won't be happy. Here with you only one trick to stay happy in your life, because it's my accepted agenda. How I try myself to stay happy, how I keep myself positive, how I keep the energy of my thought process high. I apply this. So I'm just sharing with you how you can apply it on yourself and apply this trick of to stay happy in your life. Okay, so you have to do only two things to stay happy, stay positive, and with the full energy. We have to do just two things. Firstly, very normal thing, generalized thing, but I think हमने ये अप्लाई नहीं करा, क्योंकि हमें बहुत को सब कुछ पता तो होता है बट हम अप्लाई नहीं करते. So I advise you to apply it on yourself. When you apply it, I bet it will work. So thing you have to do is you have to analyze your negativity. You have to analyze what all negative works, what all wrong works, what are the things that is giving you negativity. That is all giving you negativity. और हम इसको थोड़ा और सिंपलाइज करते हैं. You have to analyze आज मैंने सारे दिन में कौन सी गलतियां करी हैं. आज मैंने सारे दिन में कौन सी गलतियां करी हैं. अब आप सोच रहे होगे, आप तो मुझे हमें खुश रहने के तरीके बताने लगे थे. Why you are saying हमें गलतियां सोचनी है? But this is another way of being happy in life and energy level high. So just apply it, okay? So आपको क्या करना है, आज सारे दिन में मैंने कौन सी गलतियां करी हैं, आज सारे दिन में कौन से काम थे जो मैंने गलत करे हैं, आज सारे दिन में किस पर्सन को मैंने कुछ गलत बोला है एंड वाई. You have to analyze this and you have to note down it in a notepad. Seriously, I'm saying you have to note down it in a notepad. Yes, you have to note down in a notepad and you have to analyze it कि ये काम मैंने आज गलत करे हैं, ये काम मैंने आज गलत करे हैं. Right? Okay, this thing you have done. Second thing, on a contrary, what you have to do is you have to analyze the positive things you have done today. You have to analyze what good things you have done today. What are the achievements of today? Only today, okay? I'm not talking about the 1 month back, 2 month back, 2 years back. No, I'm only talking about of today. What are your achievements of today? Okay, so आज मैंने कौन से अच्छे काम करे हैं, आज मैंने किसके साथ अच्छे से बात करी है, आज मैंने किसकी हेल्प करी है, आज मैंने किसकी हेल्प करी है. यस, सो दिस विल गिव यू पॉजिटिव डेफिनेटली. आज मैंने किसकी हेल्प करी है, कौन सी चीज़ें मुझे आज पॉजिटिव वाइब्स देके करी हैं, what are the good things I have done, what I have achieved in my day. That means all the positive things you have done today. All the positive things you have done today. You have to analyze and note down in your notepad. So that means what you're doing is, firstly, what I've noted it down, my negativity, what wrong things I have done, any bad words to anyone, and in contrary, what I'm doing, what I've achieved today, what are the good things I have done, to whom I have helped it today, right? So कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स आज मैंने सॉल्व करी है. दैट मीन्स इट्स नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव. सो इन आपको करना क्या है, आपने लिख तो लिए, मैंने बोल भी दिया, आपने लिख भी लिए, ठीक है. सो आपको करना क्या है, यू हैव टू remove the negative vibes from your life. You have to remove the negative vibes from your life and you have to increase the positivity around. Remove the negative vibes and increase the positivity around. That means one thing is giving you happiness today. आपने आज कोई काम किया है that is giving you happiness today. if you will keep on pursuing that thing, if you will apply that thing permanently in your personality, then you will stay happy forever. And the thing that is giving you negativity, which is already negative, that is giving you negativity, if you will remove that thing from your life, then what will happen? It will decrease the negativity, increase the positivity, and ultimately, definitely, it will give you a permanent trick to stay happy in your life. This trick, note down, note down, note down. You just have to apply for 1 week. You just have to apply this trick for 1 week. I am saying it. Why? Because you have to continuously apply this trick on your own, with honesty, on yourself, for just 1 week. And what you have to do, you have to observe yourself. You have to observe the negativity, you have to observe the positivity, note it down, and then you have to improve yourself. What will happen? One day you will be able to improve all the negativity around, and you will be able to increase your positive vibes, and then you will be a positive personality because you have to remove the negative vibes. So this is the thing I used to apply in myself, to apply it with this wrong thing I have done. I won't do this again. This is the positivity. I am getting positive. Well, I am positive today. Why I am getting positive vibes today? I have done something good today. Yes. Then what I'll do? I'll do to what I'll do. I'll apply this thing in my life. If I'm getting positivity by helping someone, then if I'm getting positivity by helping someone, that means it's a positive thing from me. So what I do? I'll help everyone. I'm a helpful person. I've applied it on my life. So what will do? I'll stay happy. So this is the trick you have to apply to yourself, and it will work. It will work. It is working on me. It will work on you. And but with the condition, you have to apply it on yourself with true honesty. Then it will work on yourself. So that's all for the trick. This is I was about to share. And so that's all for the trick, because I supposed to share only one trick today, and one by one we'll definitely improve ourselves. And I know you will apply the agendas. I know you will apply it on yourself, and I want your reviews. It's helpful for you or not? If it's helpful for you, then I'm obliged. If it's not helpful for you, I will try to figure out something else for you so that it will work for you. So thank you so much for being in touch with me. Thank you so much for watching me. And thank you so much for applying my agendas in your life. And stay happy, stay positive, stay active, and value the relations you have earned in your life. Keep smiling always. Thank you.